Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to unsync iPhone from iPad. Syncing your iPhone and iPad means sharing everything like photos, messages, but sometimes you might not want all that stuff mixing. If you want to stop your iPhone and iPad from sharing everything with each other, depending on your needs, we will guide you through different ways to unsync them. Remember, the process is reversible, so you can always resync them if you decide to. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is unsync iPhone from iPad completely by removing Apple ID. For this, in your iPad settings, tap on your name at the top. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then choose sign out and then choose what you want to keep. Select all the required option. Confirmation prompt will appear. Tap sign out again. Log in with the new Apple ID. Open the settings app again and then tap sign into your iPhone. Enter the new Apple ID details and tap continue and you are done. And the next step is unsync iPhone and iPad without disconnecting Apple ID. For this, open the settings app on your device. You will see your Apple ID name at the top of the settings menu. Tap on it to go to your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on iCloud and then tap on show all. Now you will see a list of the apps that use iCloud to sync data. They are usually turned on to the sync automatically. Find the apps you don't want to sync between your iPhone and iPad and switch their toggles to off. This method is great because it lets you control what gets synced without cutting off the benefit your Apple ID. If you turn off iCloud syncing for something like your Photos app, it means those photos won't get back up to your iCloud anymore. If you take pictures with your iPad, they won't automatically save to your iCloud storage and you are done. And the next step is unsync your iPhone from an iPad by disabling handoff. You can turn off handoff. For this, open settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on AirPlay and handoff. Within the general settings, there is a toggle switch next to handoff. Slide this switch to the left to turn off handoff. This section will stop automatically sharing tasks and clipboard content between your iPhone and iPad, helping you keep your activities separate on each devices. And you are done. And the next step is unsync iPhone messages on iPad. For this, go to settings on your iPad and keep scrolling until you see the messages option. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and then you will see a switch next to iMessage. Turn this switch off to stop getting messages on your iPad. Turning off iMessage on your iPad will also result in no longer receiving calls on this device and you are done. I hope this solution will help you to unsync iPhone from iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.